Good day. My name is Ira Camel Bilbao, and I just want a few minutes of your time to explain why hiring me as your internal auditor will ultimately benefit your company. I have a great educational background, having completed the course BS Accountancy at New Era University and have passed the CPA board exam last October 2015. In the last 3 years, I've been able to combine this educational base with my work. I worked as a financial analyst and controller that enhanced accounting skills and developed my ability to work efficiently. I ensure tasks are completed correctly and on time. Your company produces a high-quality service and can contribute my skills and ability to work under pressure. I believe that the combination of my education, work experience, passion, dedication, and desire to grow professionally will make me a valuable asset to your company. I guarantee that you won't regret making the decision to hire me. Thank you for viewing my profile. I hope to speak with you in person and discuss my qualifications in greater detail.